Hi, I'm Kalyn from 10 years old. The cooking skill I'm going to share with you today is measuring. To practice this skill, we will be making blueberry muffin in a mug. This blueberry muffin in a mug is adapted from Celebrate Your Plate, a recipe that can be found on celebrateyourplate.org. My first step is to wash my hands with warm water for at least 20 seconds. The supplies you'll need include a microwave-safe mug, measuring spoons, liquid measuring cup, and a dry measuring cup. You'll also need a spoon. We'll gather all of our ingredients before we start. The ingredients we need are flour, brown sugar, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, extra virgin olive oil, low-fat milk, and blueberries. Our first step is to measure the dry ingredients. To measure dry ingredients, fill the measuring cup or measuring spoon level off the top with the handle of your spoon, back of a butter knife. We will not pack down the ingredients except for sugar. The recipe calls for 1/3 cup flour, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 'You will need 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you will need 1/8 teaspoon of salt. You will need a pinch of cinnamon. Now I will use my spoon to stir all the ingredients together. The next step is to mix olive oil. When measuring small amounts of liquid like this, 1 1/8 teaspoon of olive oil, you pour the liquid into a measuring spoon over a separate dish, so if it spills, it does not go into our muffin. After adding in the oil, we need to mix so there are no chunks. Our next step is to measure the wet ingredients. To properly measure liquid, we use a liquid measuring cup when we pour liquid. We want the cup sitting on a level surface and to be at eye level. We will pour so that the liquid is in the line of the amount we need. This recipe calls for 1/4 cup of milk. Finally, we add the blueberries. To do this, we will scoop them using a measuring spoon. We will need 3 to 4 tablespoons of blueberries and stir them in. Don't forget to stir it all together. Now it is time to cook the muffin. We will microwave the muffin for 2 minutes. Warning, the mug will be hot when you remove it from the microwave. Caution, your mug may be hot, but it's time to top it with blueberries. Enjoy!